What's up YouTube? Unboxing and tour review of the guy I've had for about a year and a half inbox, and all my friends and me have just decided it's time to open him. He's got nowhere to go. I could put him on the wall, but I prefer to have him open. This is it. This is a big one for me, so here we go. Open. Done. I love these figures. Kenny's just the only boy of the main four I hadn't unboxed. This is it. Bit of wire. It's the first time I get to touch him. You might think it's a big thing, it's for me. And he feels great. His arms, and there he is. He looks great. Quite a small figure though. They're to size 3-inch, I think he is. Awesome detail. Comes with 2 rats and a arm that you can put in and out. It's more just an unboxing, just to have a memory. 9 out of 10. Thanks.